Good morning, everybody. Today is another very great and rainy day, and our stream is full and so loud now, so you might hear some noise while I'm filming. And this gap without rain, I decided to create a bird feeder. We have so many birds now just jumping in the garden, so hungry, and poor little things being so hungry and wet, and they're searching for food. And it was my dream to create a really nice, very pretty bird feeder. And today I just remembered that we have something suitable for this little DIY project. And ta-da! I just remembered that almost 2 years ago I got this lantern at the charity shop, and it has no glass, as you can see. It is rusty, and it was €5 at our local charity shop, and it is so beautiful. So I bought it knowing that one day I will be needing it. And actually we don't need that size lantern, because we already got a pair of those modern lanterns, and also we got 3 of those, and they're so much bigger than this one. But I think this one could work really well as a bird feeder in the garden. Oh, isn't it gorgeous? Isn't it just perfect? So what I have to do now is to clean it a little bit, and to create a little tray here, so we can put some seeds in there, some food for birds. And I think the holes are big enough for the bird to get in. I just can't wait to see it in place, full of wonderful food for birds, and birds jumping in and out. So when we have our breakfast there in the summer kitchen, we will be able to see the birds having their breakfast here in the garden. They love jumping here in these bushes. So I think it's just perfect. Okay, let's find a brush here in the laundry. I have a brush. I'll just dry clean, little brushing and paint spray. Also, this is my cave. This is my men's cave, girls' version of men's cave. And there are all sort of things, and all the pretty things and handy things. Is here anything I can use as a tray for the bird food? I can't really see anything, but I'm sure there is such a thing somewhere here. I just have to think about it. Well, while I'm brushing, I will think about a tray. Sherry, what do you think about bird feeder? She doesn't like birds. She doesn't like any intruders in her garden. No birds, no lizards, no cats. Nobody is allowed in Sherry's garden. Isn't that right, Sherry? Isn't that true? It is so true. You are naughty girl. Also, last time I brought some little birch branches, and I think they will be so much pretty here in this pot. So let's see. I think it will be so pretty. Okay, let's see the little ones. I think there was one more branch thin like that one. Have to find all the things I brought last time from the woods. What do you think? What do you think? Let's put this one here. Look what I have spotted. This is fire salamander. Oh, look at her. She is gorgeous. Oh, it is so wet. So she came out of the stream. She is gorgeous. Come here. She's hiding now. Oh, wow. Look at her. This is the biggest I've seen so far. She's gorgeous. I will call Sergi to show him now. Oh, look at her. Look how big she is. Okay, I'm getting her closer to our pond in hope she will be just more comfortable here. Oh, look how pretty she is. Oh, she's gorgeous. Look at that. And off she goes around the pond. Wow. Okay, now Sergi is moving slugs out of our way because it's just they're coming. Oh no! No, 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 no. Okay, there he goes. Well, this is Sergi's attraction. I'm not allowed to kill them, so Sergi is shooting them into the stream. Do you think? I think they are a bit traumatized after that experience. Okay, 3 fat slugs shot into the stream. Go, go. And there they go. Okay, I was looking for the right thing in the whole house, and I think this is the only thing. If it works, that will be amazing. If it doesn't work, there is no other option, and I have to go and buy something proper size, because all the other objects I got weren't right. So let's see if this one works. I moved with my projects here in the laundry, into the laundry, because it is raining now outside, and I'm drying the bird feeder with the heat gun. It works well. So let's see. Oh dear, dear, dear. It is too small. Ay, ay, ay. It is... Well, maybe. I think I have to make it work. I just have to make it work. That means we have to create a floor. A floor. So we have this thing, actually. This is the socket box. And... for the floor, here is my floor, and that will be the structure. I will glue with a gun everything together, and then this structure to the bird feeder, and it has to work. Well, I think it is pretty perfect. Well, let's see how perfect it fits into the future bird feeder. Ta-da! Oh, it's beautiful. It's perfect spot. Love it. Oh, I hope birds will love it too. Wow. I love it. It is so pretty. Well, now I will be bird watching here. Do you think birds will find it? No, don't say that. I put so many delicious seeds and things in there. They have to find it. And anyway, they are flying in and out in the kitchen and here also on the rose bush and here in these little shrubs too. I think they will find it. I can't wait to see the first bird there.
In my garden, there's a sight
It is perfect there.
Roses blooming just like a dream.
So perfect, I love it. And I wanted to show you a rose which is now in bloom. Might be for the first time actually, because it's a new rose from this year, from this summer. I planted it very late, so it didn't bloom. And now look at that. Look at that beauty. Isn't she gorgeous? Isn't she absolutely stunning? What a treat in October. Beautiful roses, and they smell delicious.
In my garden you always shine. Against the darkness you're divine.